Hello and welcome. This is Zasir Afras from civiltechnologyforyou.com, and today in this session we will learn about offset faces and delete faces. So let's get started. For example, if you want to increase the size of an existing object, for example, I want to just increase the size of this hole, I can use offset faces command. And if I want to just delete this object, I can use delete faces command. So let's see about offset faces. I will go here in editing group, okay, solid editing group, and from here I will click on this drop down arrow. You can see here the next command here is offset faces. So I will click here to activate this one, and right now I just want to increase the size of this hole. So if you want to just increase the size, you have to just give the negative value, and if you want to just decrease the size, you have to give the positive value. Let's see how to do this. I will just select this hole and I will hit enter. Now it is asking about specify the offset distance. So right now I want to increase this one, so I will just give the distance of minus 50 millimeter, okay, in negative value. Remember, I will hit enter. Now you can see it is going to increase. Let's just decrease this one. I will just again activate this one from here, and I will select this one. I will hit enter. Now I will give positive value of 40, okay, and I will hit enter. Now you can see it is going to decrease, okay. I will press escape key to come out of command. Now I just want to increase the size of this hole. For that I will just activate this one, okay. I will click to activate this one. Now I will select the faces of this, okay. I will click here and then with control key second, and now we have to just select these two faces. For that what I will do, I will just click and hold shift key, and I will just rotate this with mouse scroll wheel, okay. So I will rotate this, okay, here. Now I want to select this one with control and this one. Now I will what, hit enter, and now it is asking about the value. Now I will just give the value of minus 50 and I will hit enter. Now you can see it is going to increase. So I will press escape key to come out of command. This is the way you can give offset to any existing object, okay. Now let's see another, that is delete faces. So I will just click here to activate this one. This is the command for delete faces. I will click, and now I want to just delete this whole, okay. So I will click here to select this one and then I will hit enter. Now you can see it is going to delete. For example, I want to delete from here as well, so I will go here and I will click, and now I want to select this one, then control select this one. Now I will just rotate this one with shift key and mouse scroll wheel, okay. Now I will just select this one. Now again I will rotate this one. Now it is all going to select. So I have to select this one also, then I will hit enter. Now you can see it is going to delete. So this is how you can delete the existing object. So I hope you understand this session. I will see you in the next.